Hello everyone, Clint here. I hope everyone is doing well today. Today I want to talk again about my Apple Watch and specifically some cases and protection for that Apple Watch. I've done separate videos on the T-Engine case and the Spigen case. Let's say you want protection, but you don't want this much protection, like crazy protection where it comes with its own bands. Very good protection here if you're doing some pretty serious stuff. But say you want to protect your extremely expensive investment and you don't want to go something like that, then you want to do like a clip-on case here. And Kimilar sent me out some of these what I call a clip-on case, where they actually include the screen protector built into the case itself. And one of the cool things about these snap-on cases is that you can change the look of your watch and offer protection at the same time. So this right here is a Apple Watch Series 7. It is the stainless steel edition. And 45 millimeters. So these cases are designed for that bigger size, 45 millimeter, and this is the Kimilar 5-pack. Let's take a look at these. I have not opened these and I haven't put them on yet. Pretty curious because I've never really used anything like this, but oh yeah, that's cool. So this 5-pack specifically comes in, that's like a charcoal color. These are very shiny too, very, very blingy. So shiny like the stainless steel. So if you got let's say you have a aluminum and you want to change the look of that aluminum to something a little bit shinier, these definitely will do the trick. As you can tell, they got like a adhesive back here for that particular screen there. And let's see, we got a silver one, that dark charcoal, and then we have a totally black one. That's pretty cool looking. And then blue one. That is a sharp looking blue too. I really like that blue. I do like blue. I wish they had an orange one, but they don't have orange. So they also have a clear one. So, you know, if you have a colored Apple Watch, you know, like the red or the blue or something, and you want to still have that shown, but you want the protection of a case, then you would want to use this clear one here, which is pretty cool. Okay, also in the box is looks like a cleaning cloth, great. And then you have a couple wipes. You can remove off the excess dirt with these wipes. You got a wet wipe and a dry wipe. And you have 3 sets of those in there. And that makes sense, I guess, because this is going to actually stick. So I'm going to put one of these on. Let's see, let's change it up completely. So let's do this charcoal color. I really like that charcoal color. Let's get these out of the way here for right now. And let's get this watch all cleaned up. Now, the nice thing about these snap-on cases is you can keep your regular band. With these ones here, you have to sacrifice the band. You just all in one, which I do recommend. If you want the toughest case you can get, you know, just get the one with the band and everything. You can just pop it in and out. I use this one all the time if I'm working out, but I can just pop it in, pop it right out. No problem at all. But with these snap-on cases, it looks like you know, you can use your own band. So let's see here. I think they have instructions. Yeah, I do look at instructions. Just clean, peel, snap on from the button side, which makes sense, and pop it in. Piece of cake. Let's see here. They're definitely plastic, which is good in the fact that you don't want it to scratch. I'm trying to feel if there's any tough kind of, no, I don't feel anything sharp in there. So I don't think it would mess up the watch at all, sliding in and off. So I don't know. Let's see what it looks like. I forgot. Let's clean that off. And then let's peel this guy back here. Oh, yeah, it comes right off of there. No problem. Oh, yeah, it looks good. Okay, put it in here, button first. And then snap that on. And then press this in there. Okay, clean that off now. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah, look at that. Nice and clear. Let's see if we got all the buttons are working. Looks like the touchscreen is good. All right, so that is how it looks on. It kind of flattens that top out a little bit, which is interesting, I think. Press that in there pretty well. Kind of stick it on there. Let's kind of go over the sides. Looks like, let's take a look at the fit and finish of the buttons, because that is something that you definitely don't want to have messed up, is your buttons. But it looks like this is going to scroll. Oh yeah, it scrolls really good, no problem. Easy peasy on this button. Got a little hole for the mic. On this side, you have a good cutout for the Apple speaker there. And it goes perfectly right around the bands, it looks like. Let me show it to you. Bands, so let's see how easy it is. Oh yeah, slides right out of there. You're not going to have any problems with the bands, so you can get your bands on and off. And there you go. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's see what the touchscreen looks like. Right, looks pretty good there. I didn't have any problems with the touchscreen. We got the battery. Let's see. Yep, no problem there. Done. Yeah, this looks pretty good to me. I don't see a problem at all. Looks like my side scrolling's fine. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Let's see here. Yeah, that is a cool color. That definitely changes the look of the watch. Like the back is not a problem here. Yeah, I like it. Looks good. Looks really nice. I'm not sure about how sturdy this screen protector is, but it says it's pretty sturdy. Which, I mean, it's gonna at least stop you from scratching your actual screen on your watch, because that would be a bummer. Yeah, but they're reasonably inexpensive. Let me see if I can get you a quick price on there. So, I mean, if that does break or something on you, as long as it doesn't, break your screen, then I think they'll be worth the investment. Okay, here it is, the Kimilar 5-pack here. It says ultra thin. It is. They say it's tempered glass. Okay, and you get a bunch of colors here, which is pretty cool. You get black on black, black clear. So you got a red in there. The lighter colors. So if you're looking to change that color up a little bit more lighter, you can do that. And here we go. So $8.46. So for 5 of these, $8.46 is pretty decent. So I mean, if it you can swap these out all day long. Let's see what it looks like when you pop one off, because we want to obviously take it off if we need to. Oh yeah, it comes right off, no problem at all. Let's take a look and see a couple of these colors here. That's the clear one. Oh yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that looks really good, actually. Look at that. The stainless steel comes right through there. So I think if you wanted your color of whatever watch you have to come on, this clear one is definitely good to go. I like that. Let's try the silver. Shouldn't look much different than my watch does now. So if you got an aluminum watch and you want it, yeah, pretty close. So if you have an aluminum watch and you want it to look like a silver watch, then or stainless steel, there you go. That looks good. Let's go ahead and try the next one here. Solid black. This one might be pretty handy. I think I might actually use this one because I have some great black watch bands, some black metal watch bands that just don't go good with the stainless steel silver. So, oh yeah, look at that. Black. I think that would work pretty well. Yeah, that looks good. I probably could be able to do that. I'd probably get away with that using the a black metal band. I'm gonna have to try that out for sure. Okay, let's go to the next one. Again, we got this really cool blue color. It's a really deep blue, and yeah, look at that one. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna peel all these stickers off of these ones for this quick color demo, but yeah, you can see there that looks really good. I think if you get the right watch band on there, that's gonna, a cool like blue watch face, that's gonna look really nice. Really like that. Ooh, let's see here. And then here's that charcoal one that we were just using. Oh, we've already seen that one. That's the one I had on there. Yeah, so yeah, here we go. 5-pack. I think they would definitely offer you some protection if you're smacking your hand against the wall. They're plastic, which, That's fine. You know, it's to protect your watch. And so, you know, if one of these breaks or something, you really smack it hard and that tempered glass breaks because it's pretty thin. I can feel it in there. It's pretty thin, but it's definitely going to do the job, I think. We'll definitely protect it from scratches and stuff. But anyways, yeah, I'll leave links to all this good stuff in there. And thanks for staying to the end, and I will see you on the next one.